In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to voice chat in Claude AI. By the end, you'll be comfortable turning on voice mode, speaking your prompt, and letting Claude generate a response automatically. No extra clicks required. First, open Claude in your browser and start a new chat. Look near the message box for the voice meter or microphone icon. That's your gateway to voice mode. Click it to enable voice input. The first time you do this, your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone. Go ahead and allow it so Claude can hear you. A quick tip here. Make sure you're using the mic you prefer, like your laptop mic or a connected headset, and try to be in a quiet space. You'll usually see a small visual indicator, like a waveform or changing icon, showing that voice mode is active and listening. With voice mode on, you can start speaking right away. Talk naturally and clearly, just as you would to a person. For example, you could say, "Explain how GPS works." Feel free to be specific. Adding details like your goal or constraints helps Claude tailor the response. If you need to think, brief pauses are fine. Voice mode is designed to handle natural speech. Aim for complete thoughts so your prompt is clear, and try to avoid background noise if possible. If you have a multi-part question, you can say it in one go, or take a moment between ideas to keep things organized. Once you finish speaking, there's no need to press submit. Claude will detect that you're done, transcribe what you said, and automatically generate a response. You'll see your spoken prompt appear as text, followed by Claude's answer. If something didn't come out quite right, maybe a name or number was misheard, just speak again to clarify or restate your prompt more precisely. You can keep the conversation flowing by using voice mode for follow-ups the same way. Click the voice icon, speak, and let Claude respond. Remember, the less you have to switch between keyboard and mouse, the faster and more natural your workflow will feel. That's all there is to it. Enable voice mode with the voice meter icon, speak your prompt, and let Claude handle the rest automatically. Practice a few different requests, explanations, brainstorming, or quick summaries to get a feel for the pacing and detail that works best for you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your hands-free chats with Claude.